In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iTunes not detecting iPad. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it can be very annoying if your iTunes isn't detecting your iPad, so it's very easy to do regardless of whichever iPad you have. Now, on whatever PC you're on, if you're on a PC that's been out in like the last 5 years, or a laptop as well, of course, all you want to do is go over to the Microsoft Store. And once you're on the Microsoft Store, once it opens, go over to this top and type in Apple devices like so, and you're going to see iTunes as one of the options, but go over to the Apple devices application and go ahead and download this for completely free. It's from Apple, and basically this is the newest replacement for iTunes. iTunes is now the outdated version, so Apple devices is the newest version. Once you go ahead and open it up, all you want to do is go ahead and plug in your iPad. And once you plug it in using a USB-C cable, make sure it's an official USB-C cable, preferably by Apple, or just make sure it's a high-speed USB-C cable. And then once you go ahead and do that, it's gonna ask you for a permission on both your PC and your iPad to trust the device. Click yes on both of them, and then you should see everything from your iPad right here. And that's it, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.